Plus one sa US, happy birthday to me, celebration. So, eto yung papunta na kami sa LA and it's so foggy. Lumakad kami dito sa bahay, mga 8 in the morning, and yan siya. Sobrang foggy. And that's our hotel. Yung stay namin is 4 night dyan. Hotel Maya by Marriott ata. Marriott or Hilton. Hindi ko na alam. Nakalimutan ko na. Hindi ko alam nakalimutan.
Okay. Bebe, pwede?
Diyan. Double Tree pala by Hilton. Hotel Maya. Double Tree by Hilton. Yan. Nakikita. Ang ganda. Ang ganda na. Sa Long Beach to siya. Sa Long Beach. Ganda. Sobra. Ang view. So, yan. Tinur tayo ni Ate Krishna. Yan. Nag-check-in kami before kami pumunta sa bahay ng kapatid ko. Para doon na mag-talk. Nag-check-in lang kami dyan. And tinignan ang kwarto ko. How was it? How was it? So, ang ganda na. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy So, eto na yun, kinabukasan, December 22 na talaga to. So, kahapon is 21 dito sa US. But since doon tayo pinanganak sa Pilipinas, sinelebrate talaga ng kapatid ko. Nag-surprise sila sa atin. So, papunta na to sa Palm Spring Aerial Tramway. Yan, bukid talaga siya. And ang ganda. Yung parang sa picture lang yung bukid, pero totoo pala. Totoo pala. Yan, grabe talaga. Grabe si Lord. Para siyang nasa movie ka lang, pero for real, andyan ka na. Grateful. Yan, papunta yan sa taas. So, sumakay kami ng, parang bus.
Abdik na yan. Abdik mo. Yati dyan ako sa now.
Over the floor. When you're hanging onto a handrail next to a window, slide your hands to the left. You're going to be all right. We're going to be going over 5 large towers today. Every time we go over a tower, the car's going to swing. So hang on. Enjoy the ride. Scream if you need to.
Not yet, until you get to the top.
Hey, is this everybody's first time? Yeah. Those hands.
Ate Angel! Ate Angel! Ate! Slide again. Hongi ko yun. I'm not looking.
Including black label, and a great deal of wild grape. Grand car is but one of many waterfalls fed by runoff from the mountains. During our upward journey, we passed through a variety of chemicals, ranging from the desert and fish trails. It's a little like making a road trip Top of the tower, you can see a 16 tram car transition. Track cable over the tower saddle back to the track cable. This motion. Car moving from
Yan, nagvi-video. Dapat kami pumunta dyan sa top. Nagvi-video lang ako para mawala ang takot ko. And ayaw kong tumingin talaga sa baba. Tumingin lang talaga ako sa cellphone. Kasi nanginginig. And then yung para bang nanggahi ko mga katribo, no? Akong tiil. Murag nangupot sa siya sa sahog sa kaning among gisakyan. Kaya para akong grabe. Pero patawa-tawa lang, patawa-tawa. Parang walang nangyari.
Because both cars are tied together on the pulling field, which moves with the car. You see, the drive signal of the Valley Station is pulling us north-south, and in turn is pulling us up.
All right, everyone, we're coming up on Tower 3. It's got a bigger swing, bigger than all the other towers. Hang on. Enjoy the ride.
Nagpilit na.
Contracted with the on-roll travel, construction and installation of these new rotating dollars were used, and the cost of construction and the operation of the tramway along the span of the is one of the most dramatic sights of our entire trip, the majestic spire of Volcano Park.
Oh my God. Sakit bigla kong tingin.
Maybe like gold, especially gold.
We're nearing the end of our
All right, everyone, welcome to the Mountain Station. The elevation here is 8,516 feet. Keep hanging on when we die. All right, we're going to be stepping up here on the second level where you'll be able to see those pictures you took down in the valley. Also on the second...
So, eto na yung top. May restaurant siya. And then, yan. Yan. Hindi lang ako pumunta dyan sa gilid. Kasi natatakot ako, no? So, eto naman is pauwi na naman kami. Pa-down na to. Konti lang yung videos natin dyan. Yan. Dire-diretso lang siya. Mas nakakatakot yung paakyat kasi it's our first time. Pero hindi mo pa. It's at 15 minutes tata na. Yan, pauwi na kami. Great experience. Happy 37th birthday rito sa US. Salamat sa mga family na nag-support. Ito na. Great escape. Great vacation. Kagara. So, hanggang dito na lang. Until next upload. Bye!